That's it. Brilliant. What's that?
Okay.
Good little cover, that.
Yeah. Have they fastened it? Yeah.
Yeah, just a bit.
That's it, Dad. That's enough. It.
You're right, Chris. Move this way.
Yeah. People to help.
On the other side?
Yeah, please.
I don't think there's a queen there. No, there's not. Is there?
Can't see much on there. So that's loads of cat brood. And in there, can I don't know whether I can see that on the. Dad, can you just face it me a little bit more? Sorry, I know you. I just want to get a picture up there at the top there, at the grubs. That's it. I think I've got it. Yeah, I've got it.
You see her?
Yeah,
She's there again.
Queen,
She's
so,
there. Yeah.
Queen's there on the top.
Yeah.
Right on her own now on the bottom.
On her own there. On the right of the thing. Just heading back in.
Good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So definitely got honey in there.
Yeah.
I think we've got nectar in there.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Oops.
What's that telling us, Chris? How do you think?
Not much. It's the fact that there's honeycomb
There's
drawn
liquid.
onto
There's liquid in.
Yeah, there is, didn't there? That's
Yeah, it's dark.
nectar, and is it a bit
Oh,